This message is transmitted at the request of the United Kingdom Weather Agency and Her Majesty's Government. Listen carefully. A blizzard that is expected to bring around 0.3048 meters to 0.6096 meters of snow to Scotland and Northern Ireland is expected to hit these areas within the next couple hours. Ensure you have enough supplies that can last you through this. If haven't got indoors, do so now. Do not go outside when the blizzard hits. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United Kingdom Weather Agency, Her Majesty's Government, and other European weather services. Listen carefully. If you reside in any of these areas marked in red, you must stay inside until further notice. Failure to do so might result in death. A massive blizzard has struck these areas and they were bringing lots of heavy snow. Do not go outside, otherwise you might face death.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Federal Emergency Management Agency, the National Weather Service, and the United States government. A massive blizzard that can bring 2 to 4 feet of snow is expected to strike New England and parts of New York. You are advised to stock up on extra food and supplies for the duration of this event. Do not attempt to go outside during this blizzard, otherwise you might face death. Stay tuned to this station for more updates on this dangerous event.
The following message is transmitted at the request of Environment Canada and the Canadian government. A massive blizzard is expected to strike the provinces of Newfoundland and Labrador, Quebec, Nova Scotia, Prince Edward Island, New Brunswick, and Eastern Ontario. Ensure you have enough supplies to last you through this event. Do not go outside during this blizzard, otherwise you might face death. Now repeating in French.
La message suivant estate transmise à la demande Environnement Canada et du gouvernement canadien. Un blizzard massif devrait frapper les provinces de Terre-Neuve-Labrador, du Québec, de la Nouvelle-Écosse, de l'île du Prince-Édouard, du Nouveau-Brunswick et de l'Est de l'Ontario. Assurez-vous d'avoir suffisamment de fournitures pour tenir tout au long de cet événement. Ne sortez pas pendant blizzard, sinon vous pourrez faire face à la mort.